Hey! Welcome back to my channel, or if you're new here, hey, my name is Tanya and today we are talking about foundations. Before we jump into this video, I just want to say that this video is partnered up with Maybelline and I am so excited to be working with them. Oh my goodness. They recently just launched their new Maybelline Dream Urban Cover Foundation and I am wearing it today. I'm going to be showing you guys swatches, the way it applies, all that good stuff, the prices. I'm just going to break it down for you guys. Everything that I'm wearing on my face is 100% drugstore. Before you get too excited and run out and buy these products, go to Walmart first. You will find the best deal. They have a really nice selection of products and shades that you can choose from. So hit up Walmart first. I love Walmart. Alright, so I'm gonna stop talking. Thank you guys again so much for watching and let's just jump straight into the swatches and all that good stuff. Alright you guys, so I already did my eye makeup, something really simple, a little bit of mascara and eyeliner, and we're done. Today we are focusing on the skin and I am so excited because I love just having a really clean, natural base and a little something on the eyes, but mostly skin. So let's talk about foundations. Now Maybelline just recently launched their newest foundation to their Dream collection. This is the Dream Urban Cover Foundation. I have a few other options from their Dream collection that might be a better match for you guys, but I'm gonna break it down each foundation and show you guys the swatches, the colors, just so you guys can kind of see and find out for yourself what would be a better match for you and your skin type. First, I want to talk about my skin type. My skin type is normal to dry. I much prefer a natural, maybe radiant finish depending on my mood, but I try to stay away from matte foundations just because that will just enhance all my dry patches or texture or anything like that. It doesn't really do much for my skin. So the Dream Urban Cover Foundation is $10.98, is lightweight formula, flawless coverage. It does provide SPF 50 and it does have pollution protection and it's a natural finish. So I'm really excited to try out this foundation. This is the one we are going to be wearing today. And then here we have the Dream Satin Liquid Foundation. It's in a glass bottle, has a pump. As to this one, has a squeezy tube. So honestly, I love both packages. They're very sanitary and convenient to use, which I really appreciate. This one's a little bit cheaper. This is $7.94, also at Walmart. It's a lightweight formula, medium coverage. It has a hydrating serum which contains hyaluronic acid, providing 12 hours of hydration. Sounds amazing. And this has a radiant finish. So if you have really dry skin, I would suggest you going for something like this. This will give you hydration throughout the day and it's not gonna look cakey on your skin just because it's gonna look really luminous and fresh all day. Now, if you guys wanna go really natural while also providing a little bit of a skin tint just to even out any skin discoloration, just giving you a really nice fresh look. So this is sheer formula and it hydrates, brightens with SPF 30 as well, and it has more of a natural finish. Great for school, great for work, great for moms that just have to get out the door and go. So for those of you that don't like wearing foundation or the feeling of something on your face, I would definitely recommend something like this. So next up we have the Dream Matte Mousse Foundation. This one is $7.94. These are all really affordable prices. So this is a lightweight formula but also gives medium to full coverage. It's shine free matte finish. Man, this foundation has been around for ages. I remember my sister using this when she was in middle school. And I was just looking at her doing her makeup and I was like, that just looks so complicated. I'm never getting into makeup. And here we are 10 years later. Now that I broke it down to you guys, you can kind of get an idea of what would be the best for your skin type. Today we are going to be using the new Dream Urban Cover Full Coverage Foundation. I'm so excited about this. Definitely need that full coverage right now. I had a little skin issue the other day. It's getting a lot better, but I just broke out so bad here. And now I'm just kind of left with texture and discoloration, so I definitely want to cover that up. Okay, so I am going to first prime just because I want something a little hydrating right now. My skin is feeling kind of dry. So I'm going to go in with the Masterprime. This is the Hydrate and Smooth Primer. And I'm just going to focus this on my T-zone, cheek area, and also my chin. Just because if I do have... Oh, that feels so good. This is my first time trying this out. I got it at Ulta. That feels amazing. Just like blends right into the skin. I like to focus this around areas where I might have texture or dry patches, just so we can soften up that skin around it, so when you're applying your foundation it doesn't look crusty or cakey. You also want to exfoliate prior to doing your foundation. So let's see which one is going to be my match. I definitely think Natural Beige is going to be my closest match, but I'm going to just see. Okay, so these are the shades that I'm going to swatch for you guys. So I have a variety of pinks and yellow undertones just so you guys can see on my face how it looks. So the first one is Classic Ivory. Actually, Classic Ivory might be a good match for me, but the thing is the rest of my body is pretty tan. This one is Buff Beige. Definitely has like the peachy undertones. Do you guys see that? This one looks good. Warm Nude. This one's more olive undertone. And then Natural Beige. I think Natural Beige might be my shade. Okay, I'm gonna add some primer to the area because I literally just swiped it off. Just applying a little bit on my cheeks first, just and go from there. I'm gonna grab a regular brush. Using circular motions just to buff that into the skin. And I'm always taking it past my jawline onto my neck. That looks really good. Yeah, definitely more of a natural finish. It's not like dewy or anything, it just has like that skin-like look to it. So I just like to press the foundation into my skin and then I use a light buffing motion. If you guys get lots of creasing around the mouth, I would recommend you focusing more of the product on your cheeks, and then when you have a little bit of extra product on the brush, then you should bring it into the mouth area, because I experience it myself where I get like a lot of like creasing around the smile lines and it just gets kind of cakey up there. So I just like to not add as much product there. That looks really good. Just a little bit on my forehead. You guys, I am so happy with the way this foundation looks. It's not enhancing any texture on my chin. You can't cover up texture, but you can prevent it from being like enhanced. It just literally just like covered everything so pretty. The color is spot on. I'm so happy. Let's build up this foundation just to see, you know, the coverage it gives, if it is buildable. So I'm gonna just apply a little more. Just a little bit here just to see. And this time I'm gonna just use a beauty blender because why not? Definitely buildable, I'd say. Close-up of my face. Love. Next for concealers, I'm going to use the Maybelline Fit Me in Sand. I'm gonna add a little bit of the Define a Lash mascara from Maybelline to my lower lashes. And then to bronze up the skin, I'm gonna go in with the Maybelline City Bronzer. This one's in number 100. And then I just like to bronze around my cheekbones just to add some definition. I really like this bronzer because it's really good for those that don't like a warm tone bronzer. It just adds a really nice balance of bronziness, but also can contour your face really, really good. So I'm just applying it to my cheekbones and then bringing it up to my temple area and then forehead. Just blending it all in. For blush, I'm going in with the Maybelline Fit Me number 30. This is in the shade Rose. I love these colors. They just bring life to my face. Like, I feel like it complements my skin tone really, really good. I found this highlighter at Ulta. This is the Masterchrome Metallic Highlighter in number 250. I think this was in collaboration with Nikki Tutorials, but I saw it and I picked it up right away because I'm like, it is so pretty. Like, I'm obsessed with the way it looks. So I'm gonna grab a pencil brush first and hit the brow bone. I talked about these highlighter formulas like my drugstore favorites like so many times. They're really, really amazing. Go in the inner corners. So pretty. Wouldn't expect anything less, honestly. For lip liner, I have the Maybelline Color Sensational Shaping Lip Pencil in Beige Babe. And it's retractable, which of course is always handy and convenient. And then for my lip, I have Beige Babe. That's so funny, I didn't even know that. I saw the color and I was like, oh, it's so pretty. So yeah, so I'm just using a matte lipstick in Beige Babe. So that is such a pretty color. It has like a really pretty like pinky undertone. I love it so much. So this is the finished makeup. I love the way the foundation looks. Everything just blended out so seamless. Alright you guys, but that is the finished look. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video and you found it helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. That would mean the world to me. Also, I highly recommend you guys to go to Walmart first. If you want to try out any of these foundations, you will find the best deal, also the best selection. So thumbs up for Walmart. I love you guys. Thank you so much for watching and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye.